but now I'm yogi. Who rises early in the morning. I'm an early bird. An early man who rises early in the morning and sleeps. He goes early to bed and early to rise. Practically, I follow this principle to be life. I'm here to speak with two things about you. It's knowledge. Where there's knowledge, there is civilization. Where there's civilization, there is knowledge. You know I'm over the moon because I'm in the lab, I'm in the jurisdiction of knowledge center. Where there's knowledge, there is kinetic energy. K of knowledge stands for kinetic energy. Every one of you is possessing kinetic energy. And when this kinetic energy is converted into potential energy, then the people tend to be the celebrated souls of the society. When the kinetic energy is converted into potential energy, and the person has a proper direction, the proper mentor like him, like Mr. Chandu, like everybody else, they become the productive and resourceful individuals of the society. Because K of knowledge stands for kinetic. And what is the second letter in knowledge? K-N-O. K-N-O. When there is kinetic energy, there is newness in the civilization. There is newness in the life. There is newness in the city life. There is novelty in the urban life. There is novelty in the rural life. Where there is energy, there is novelty, newness. Newness of ideas, newness of conceptions, immaculate conceptions. And when there is knowledge, then there is a sense of ownership. Only a knowledgeable person can own the institutions. Only a knowledgeable person can own the organizations. Only a knowledgeable, truly knowledgeable person can own the streets. He would like to keep every street of the whole city. She would like to keep every corner, nook and corner of the city neat and clean. Speculation. Spick and span. When there is a knowledge, there is civilization. When there is knowledge, there is newness. When there is knowledge, sense of ownership. When there is knowledge, there is wisdom. Only a knowledgeable society, only a knowledgeable centers produce wisdom and wise people. The society in sin, in my teacher sin today, needs more wise people like him. And you know, wisdom is Allah, wisdom is God. Every one of you is a true image of God when you have wisdom. If anybody, he or she is devoid of wisdom, means he's not a true image of the Lord. He's a rebel to the wisdom of the Lord. He's rebellious. His attitude is of rebellion. A man who is devoid of knowledge, a man who is deprived of knowledge, a man who is denied of knowledge, he is not, she is not a true image of the Lord of the universe. Only a wise man with wisdom, only a girl, only a woman with wisdom is a true woman. Only a woman with wisdom is a true mother. She knows the art of motherhood. Only a man with wisdom is a true father, is a true brother. He's a comrade. He's a crony. In the words of Latif, Hallano, Hakkilano, Baby Saril. Hallano, Hallu Baba, Hallu, don't get discouraged. If you have failed once in any competitive exam, then the first attempt, never give up, never lose. This is not the way. Don't deviate, don't depart, don't cross the limits. When you attain the position of power and authority, you remember me, you remember your visionary teachers, wise persons of your neighborhood, your community. This is called camaraderie. This is comradeship. You never forget, you never. Those cronies, those who used to sit with you are not forgotten. Those streets, the beaten and unbeaten tracks are not forgotten. Halal, Hakilano, Beli Sare, Machia, Barak. This is the hallmark. This is the mark of identification of manly man. Morsamano diya sujana hai. Machia, Barak. Vijantan, Barak. They don't create any discrimination. They don't make any kind of discrepancy. Even if they are fighting, even if they are in the state of war, in the battlefield, but they don't discriminate. Knowledge carries kinetic and is novelty. Kinetic energy, hudi, the novelty in it. Newness, nawani indi, o indi, ownership hudi. قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون. कुरान तो चले एक इल्म रखम था एक इल्म न था रखम और बराबरी न था दी सका. Knowledge hudi, the time owner, sense of ownership. तो ये मोची धरतिया, ये मोचो वतना, ये मोची गलिया, ये मोचो रस्तोआ, ये मोची स्ट्रीटा, मोचो दरो मोची तहजीबा. I am civilization. I am the custodian of civilization. I am the true spokesman of civilization. चले तो आगे knowledge होती, तो हमें sense of ownership पैदा होती है. तो कहाँ जा रास्ता गलियों कोचा कार्नर कुंडू गंदगी बदबू जो शिकार न पड़ पाता. Only a knowledgeable man, knowledgeable person, he or she can make the difference. Truly knowledgeable, not a shadow, not a gwari, not a pseudo. When there is sense of ownership, what comes after O? O-W, wisdom. Wisdom makes you wise. What comes L? L. When there is wisdom, when you are a wise person, you can be loyal person with your land, with lovely Larkano, with Jijalsen. Only a knowledgeable person can be loyal to the land. A man without knowledge, without proper knowledge, without true knowledge, cannot be loyal. He can be corrupt to the core. He can be physically corrupt. He can be morally corrupt. He can be administratively corrupt. But a man with true wisdom, man with true knowledge, he cannot be corrupt. He can be candid. He can be courageous. He can be courteous. Because he's a loyal man. Loyalty speaks. His loyalty speaks. Does anybody needs any advertisement of loyalty of this man with lovely lockdown? Yes. It is self-explanatory. Loyalty speaks. Because he has wisdom, poetic wisdom, social wisdom. Look at this man. And what comes after this? He is always sense to excel. Loyalty makes you excellent. Loyalty makes you excellent. लॉयल्टी, वफादारी ताकि नुमाया कर दिया, एक्सीलेंट कर दिया. You become excellent because you are loyal with the people of Pakistan, loyal with the land of my teacher said, with my lovely Larkana last. I never call it Larkana, it's Larkana. I always like give it. Allah Mukhtar, you are us karwala. हमारे कहाँ निकले टीचर ना गूगल करना तो उन्होंने के एडॉप्ट किया है वो कहाँ क्षेत्रों के यहाँ टीचर संधि लिखो टीचर वो कहाँ के पूछो somebody from Australia I used to be in the past with the Australian High Commission जाने वाला वो कहाँ पूछा लगो Mr. Abdo what do you mean this teacher what do you mean this teacher teacher is nothing माना जीव your body your soul Jeev, yourself, abnegation, Jeev, I am nothing. In the world where everybody is trying to be something, when you claim I am nothing. In the words of Shams Tabriz, when everybody is struggling to become something, then I am something, I'll connect on it. I'll say that. This is Jeev. जल अरे पानी की जल शार नहीं पई जल एड़ो पानी एड़ो पवित्र पानी एड़ो मिठो पानी एड़ो चाशनी शीरीनी वालो पानी जेको इंसान के पाजी जीव का जिंद का जान का मिठो जो मुठी कर it can be your mother and it can be your motherland. I told him like this one. This is my understanding about teacher. Oh, Mr. Oh, this is the interpretation of teacher. So I will call it your teacher Sindhi. I will teacher Sindhi मुझे Facebook पे लिख दो. And he calls me teacher Sindhi. So I am not teacher. Knowledge, it gives you loyalty. Knowledge gives you loyalty. Knowledge gives you the sense, the direction to excellence. You become excellent. You become par excellence. You show your par excellence. You become par excellence in the competitive exams, in the judiciary, in the PCS, and the CSS, or even in the life. In your attitude, you are an excellent person. You learn the life skills. You know, this communication is a great life skill. The way to communicate. Hazrat Ali said, "Takallama lakat arifu." Kalam karo ma ta'arufu. The way you speak, the way you open this door, everybody can feel whether it is a shop of perfume, scent, or it is a shop of gold. कोयलो जो दुकान है, ज़बान खोली दो खबर पानी, या इतना जो दुकान है खबर पानी. इंसान गुफ्तगू करो तो उनके अंदाज़े गुफ्तगू मां, उनके अंदर जी, उनकी गहराई जी खबर पइजी. The way you speak. Loyalty gives you sense to action. And what else comes after this? G. You become dynamic. Knowledge makes you dynamic. A man without proper, exact, and accurate knowledge cannot be dynamic. There are two branches of engineering. One is static engineering. This is static engineering. When I'm in motion, I'm dynamic engineering. A great model of Allah Kareem is human being dynamic engineering. Engineering dynamics. ताज़े मेहरान में मूर्तियाँ पहुँचलो, तारीफ़ा engineering को branch, वाली ताँ civil engineer हो जो, chemical engineer हो जो, mechanical engineer हो जो, electrical engineer हो जो, metallurgical engineering हो जो, mining engineering हो जो, या तो electronics में हो जो, computer में हो जो, तारीफ़ा engineering या subject first year में ज़रूर पढ़ा था. Engineering mechanics, dynamics. Engineering mechanics da baisa. Engineering mechanics da baisa. Statics. जेका हेडे न चुने न होडे. कुन होजे कुन. फयकुन is dynamic. Fayakun is dynamic. D. It is knowledge which makes you dynamic. It's knowledge which makes you devotee. Look at the man, the devotion of the man. I'm 50 years old. 50 years old, I have seen the devotion of this man. Since 50 means since February 95. And then when I was in first year of Tehran University, batch 90, before this, we used to sit in the library, Sarshana Hospital Library. He launched this knowledge center, his spokes devotion. Because knowledge makes you dynamic. Dynamic man is always devoted. And devoted man creates disciples. मुरीदत मुतहरिक मानो जाती ना जो पानी मोल हो जाए मुर्दे जाके राम मुरीद मुर्दे जाके राम मौत कर तां जो मुर्दे को इतना थी वही ना चाहे जिंदगी हो जाए चाहे जो जिंदगी में जिंदगी पैदा करे तां उन्हें जब मौत करती तो knowledge gives you devotion. कोशाय D. Where there is knowledge, there is always goodness. भलो कर भलो थिए. Do good, have good. साहिब इल्म अदराक, साहिब फ़हम फ़रासत मानो जेको भी हूंदो, वो जो बाबा सब जो भलो कुल पीरा लाके. सारे देर तारे के. वो सोची हुई ने अंदाज़ में. जेको इल्म खां अंधो हूंदो, वाझल हूंदो, खाली हूंदो, deprived of knowledge. वो सारो लो थी तो ऐ सारा जड़ी का बीमारी हो योगा में बोले जो इलाज हो दुनिया की कहीं भी किताब में सारा जो इलाज no cure, no panacea, no treatment, no therapy for jealousy. You need to be angry, envious you need to be. You never need to be jealous. Goodness. A truly knowledgeable person inspires for goodness, creates goodness, generates goodness. You say? E. When there is knowledge, everywhere there is goodness in the society. Goodness of thought, goodness of action, everywhere there is a good governance. घर में भी good governance होती, सुठी हुक्मरानी. जेका शय जिते जुगाए हुआ उते हुई. जिते ॿ बल्ब हुजण खपनि उते ॿ हूंदा त टे हूंदा. Because charity begins at home. This is what the message of the Holy Bible. Allah तोहर घर खां थींदी आहे. Confucius चयो हुयो, if you want to improve the nation, improve the families. Look at this man. If you want to improve the families, improve the individuals, as he is improving. Should you not be proud of these teachers who are improving you to be very productive individuals of my country, my teachers said. Should you not be thankful to these people? You need to be thankful. They are giving you the direction to be good citizens of this country. जितने knowledge होती, उतने civilization होती. और जितने civilization होती, उतने मोल जो दरो जरी जिंदगी होती. आज जो को मोल जो दरो के ॾिठो आहे चाहे एंगल सां ॾिठो आहे चाहे ज़ावीअ सां ॾिठो आहे. I want to share. ऐं मुख्तार मूंखे पोएटिक इमेजिनेशन्स कुझु तव्हां जीअं रिवील थी विया. अदा करे उहे लभी वञनि, मां फेसबुक ते शेयर त कया आहिनि. अदा करे लभी वञनि. मूं चयो आई एम द सिविलाइज़ेशन. अची वञे कीअं सिविलाइज़ेशन, उन जी रोशनीअ मां तव्हांखे सम्झाइणु चाहियां थो सिविलाइज़ेशन छा आहे, जी नॉलेज छा आहे. जिते नॉलेज हूंदी उते 5 शयूं ज़रूरु हूंदियूं। 5 शयूं। सेहत हूंदी, जेकर तव्हांखे सेहत आहे तव्हांजो दीन भी सलामत है, तव्हांजो ईमान भी सलामत है। जेकर तव्हांखे सेहत न आहे, if you are not a healthy man, come what may, you cannot be a wealthy man. दुनिया जो अजीम तोहफ़ो को वालिदैन या चीजल अमल कंहिंखे ॾियणु चाहे त सेहतमंद साले पुट जे धीउ खे। जंहिं मुआशरे में वाकई इल्मु हूंदो, नॉलेज हूंदी, उते छा हूंदो? सेहत हूंदी। जिते सेहत हूंदी उते नियत हूंदी। माण्हू नियत वारो आया, he is a man of strong character. सेहतमंद माण्हू, बीमार फिक्र वारो माण्हू, बीमार तखयुल वारो माण्हू, बीमार सोच वारो माण्हू, तखयुल वारो माण्हू, इमेजिनेशन वारो, बीमारियुनि जो बायस बणिबो, कारण बणिबो, सबब बणिबो, रीज़न बणिबो, सोर्स बणिबो, ब्रीडिंग ग्राउंड बणिबो। जंहिं मुआशरे में सेहत हूंदी, सेहत समाजी हुजे, सेहत इनफरादी हुजे, सेहत सोच जी हुजे, सेहत समाज जी हुजे, फिक्र जी हुजे, सेहत कलम जी हुजे, पोइ ही गंद रस्तनि ते नज़र न ईंदी। ही गंद, गलियूं, रस्ता, किचरा ये तव्हांखे नज़र न ईंदा। बीमार ज़हनियत, बीमार ऑफिसर ॾींदी जेके who cannot see beyond their nose, cannot see beyond their nose, and majority of those people who are truly erring persons, they never know how to exercise their authority and power. Majority of persons in placed in authority positions, they never know what their authority is, what their power is. बीमार हैं, बीमार माण्हू खे कहिड़ी ख़बर त मुंहिंजो इख़्तियार छा आहे ऐं मुंहिंजो इख़्तियार केतिरो फ़ाइदो ॾेई सघे थो। मुआशरे खे सेहतमंद सोच ई, साले सोच ई इदारो खोले थो, केतिरा फ़ाइदो वठनि था, केतिरा फेज़ वठनि था। ऐं अल्लाह करीम खे सूरह हूद में आहे, अल्लाह करीम चए थो जेके ॾियनि था, जेके ॾियनि था, अल्लाह उन्हनि जी पाण तारीफ़ कई आहे। जेके ॾियनि था, अल्लाह करीम उन्हनि जी सूरह हूद में पाण तारीफ़ कई आहे। उहो केॾो बरकत बाबरकत इंसान आहे, उहो केॾो फज़ीलत वारो किरदारु आहे जेको ॾिए थो। जेतिरो बि इख़्तियार आहे हुनखे, जेकॾहिं इख़्तियार न अथसि पर सोच ॾिए थो, शऊर ॾिए थो, साझा ॾिए थो, फिक्र ॾिए थो, त अल्लाह करीम खे उहो अमल बि, उहो हुनजी अल्लाह जो तारीफ़ करे हुनजी सूरह हूद में। ही ॻाल्हि अची वञे, अल्लाह करे। अच्छा, सम्झ जो बहितरीन क़ुरान मजीद में की आयत है, ॿुधंदव त सम्झंदव। क़ुरान त चए ॿुधंदव सम्झंदव, ऐं जेको न ॿुधंदव, if you create a if you are creating whispering, if you create a noise, if you create a murmur, if you create a fish market-like situation, you will not be in a position to laugh. इहा बि नाइंसाफ़ी जो बहितरीन क्लासिक एग्ज़ाम्पल आहे त अल्लाह करीम तव्हांखे ॿुधण लाइ ॿ कन ॾिना ऐं तव्हां रखंदो ॻाल्हाइण लाइ हिकिड़ो रुॻो हिकिड़ो घणो ॿुधो, घटि ॻाल्हायो, घणो ॾिसो, वीचार कयो, तफ़क्कुर ऐं तदब्बुर कयो। मुंहिंजी दिलि चवे थी त मां सिविलाइज़ेशन खे सम्झाइण जे लाइ तव्हांखे कंसेप्ट अदा करे थी, अलाए किथे टंगिजी पियो आहे, शेयर बि कयो आहे। I am civilization. Yes. I am civilization. Civilization which ever. Civilization which ever. I am Mohenjo-daro. Every one of you is Mohenjo-daro. Every one of you is a replica. Every one of you is a spokesman of Mohenjo-daro. Every one of you is Tarjuman, mouthpiece of Mohenjo-daro. She is the mouthpiece. He is the mouthpiece. She is the image. He is the image. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am civilization. Civilization makes you civilized. Civilization makes you courteous. Civilization makes you candid. Civilization makes you courageous. Civilization makes you compassionate. Civilization makes you candid. Civilization. Civilization. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am with civilization. We used to be with this noble civilization. Where do we stand now? Are we the true custodians of this noble, glorious, sacred civilization, only a walking distance away from this knowledge center? Yo sawal aata sabni ka. Noble, glorious civilization. Look at the civil life. Look at their life. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am among civilization. Asaje gharan mein civilization hoti hai. I am among civilization. Mothers used to be that much civilized. Every mother used to be teacher in the true sense. They wo pyar jo maa je ka hai sabni maa. They used to give this message. Dhi je ka hai sabni ki dhi hoti hai. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am among civilization. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am classic human civilization. Nowhere in the world. Let's go to Egypt. Let's go to Mesopotamia, Iraq, Jordan, anywhere. You will never find this kind of replicas and the life as the people in the Mohenjo-daro they use. Classic human life civilization. Classic human civilization. I am Mohenjo-daro. I am classic human civilization. I am Mohenjo-daro. No civilization like the Indus Valley civilization. दुनिया के कहीं भी खिते में वजो, कहीं भी कॉन्टिनेंट में वजो, कहीं भी खंड में वजो, कहीं भी बड़े आज़म में, ताकि ऐसी किस्म की आसूदा, ऐसी किस्म की मुआज़िब, ऐसी किस्म की टॉलरेंट, ऐसी किस्म की civilization which stands out, वो आता आगे नहीं मिला. ताकि उन्हें ये civilization जा, वारिस आयो, you are the seeds of that civilization. ताकि उन्हें civilization जो बिच आए. I am Mohenjo-daro, but where I have gone, man from Mohenjo-daro civilization. But where I have gone, men and women from Mohenjo-daro civilization. असांजा रास्ता, असांजो नाहो, असांजा दग, असांजा चौराहा, तकाज़ा कंदा त असीं कौल, कलाम, इल्म, फ़िक्र जे ज़रिए साबित कयूं त असीं मोहनजोदड़ो जा वारिस आहियूं. ऐं असीं पंहिंजे घरनि खे अहिड़े क़िस्म जो क्लासिक मॉडल बनायूं, नमूनो बनायूं. And authority lies in every one of you. You can change if you are desiring to change. You can make the difference if you are really desiring to make a difference. अचो त जीजल सिंध खे उहो जनम ॾियूं, उहे ॾींहं वापसि कयूं जिन ते तव्हांखे बि नाज़ आहे ऐं मूंखे इस्लामाबाद में हुनजी भरपूर वकालत करणी हुई. अल्लाह करीम तव्हांखे शाद आबाद.
If anybody has got any question to ask from Mr. Hashim Abdul Sahab, you are invited, please. Anybody? Actually, sir, there is a little matter that the class comes to an end after every hour. So at 6, students started changing. Those who finished their time here in relation to the event and others came. And these girls have come here at 5 and they must be planning to leave because their parents are come to collect them from here. So if anybody who listened to Mr. Abro Sahab for whole of the time, and if you have got any question or if you need to have a message from the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, again I will request Mr. Abro Sahab what Bhitai Sahab has given message in his poetry about youth and for the courageous people, sir. If you can please. Any one couplet of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai?
थक्याई थरथेर चढ़ चिक्याई चोटिए थक्याई थरथेर. Even if you are worn out, even if you are exhausted, even if you are dog tired, keep on exploring Earth's life. थक्याई थरथेर चढ़ो चिक्याई चोटिए. Climb up the peaks, the mountains, the hillocks, the lofty mountains, even if you are feeling exhausted. Alande hold the punuade, following the traces, following the footprints of your beloved, your Valentine, your sweetheart, your amiable, your darling Punu. Alande hold the Punuade, your destination, your target, your aim in life. Havva winning hey. Shun away. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to all fears and apprehensions. Uthi, wake up. Rise to the camp. Uthi rao re. Keep on exploring. Bethala ditha bhari bhare who keep on sitting, eating like horses and doing nothing. They are covered by the layers of